rising over the horizon, blinding, lightning, horrifying, frightening, deafening, thunder, gale winds roar, batten down the hatches, the cellar doors, cyclone howling by the window, volcano blasting, molten lava flows, plates start shifting, earth starts spitting, sulfuric acid, cyanide gases, entire city buried under ashes, land liquefies, the mantle collapsing, Richter scale 5, liquefaction, blast furnace blasting, walls of flame, a super typhoon, a horizontal rain, a devastation, a rift across the nation, no salvation from damnation, this must be hell, where the devil dwells, Kali Yuga, you brought on yourselves, stop praying, nobody's listening, tonight's Armageddon, age of destruction, tonight's Armageddon.
I think there are many people today that are looking forward to the great battle, the Armageddon. There is no question that the battle has begun. There is no question that there are a separation into camps. There is no question that there is in the world more and more development of satanic worship.
Sound the alarm, Kali Yuga, calling, the sky turns black, the sky starts falling, a surge from the ocean, a terrible explosion, a great locust cloud, a biblical proportion, swearing to your God, cause you swear it's all over, you look to the stars a supernova, armies of tsunamis, cloudbursts and monsoons, disaster, catastrophe, whirlpools, plagues, famine, the drought, disease, the great loss of life, all the humanity among the cadavers, there are some survivors, rats and roaches feed on leftover, the terrible horrors, agonizing death, made so as beasts cease to exist, El Dorado gone, demolished, Egypt gone, vanished, the Babylon crushed into dust, and from the dust rises a phoenix, purification, earth's new birth, age of destruction, you brought on yourself.
We are at the breakdown of virtually everything. Standard brand, cultures, religions, government, ways of being. Because we are also in jump phase time. Phase breakout into literally a new order of reality.
He came before, he came again, one by one, all up in, he needs grief, so we feed him, peace and love, to the feet him, hate him all, make him ride, peace and love, make him hide, we all sin, that's his love, peace and love, insecure, unity, hand in hand, brotherhood, he won't stand, all mankind, arm in arm, peace and love, and here we gone, fog descending, from heaven, 7-star shines, sinister omen, shrouded in clouds, airy screeches, creepy demons, demonic creatures, cities fall, we pray to die, no Messiah to hear your cries, angels fall from grace, devils take their place, Kali Yuga seals your fate, he came before, he'll come again, one by one, orphan, he is greed, don't feed him, peace and love, shouldn't feed him, hate him all, make him ride, peace and love, make him die, we all sin, that's the cure, peace and love, insecure, unity, hand in hand, brotherhood, we won't stand, all mankind, arm in arm, peace and love, here we go, 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 peace and love, here we go.